What's going on, everyone? Back with the 97 Ford Ranger, 96, 98, 97. Production date on it is August of 96, but I think it's a 97 model. Anyways, we're changing the alternator on this bad boy, 4 liter. What is all that? I think something was making a nest in here. We're gonna pull that out. Anyways, gonna be changing the alternator. Pretty simple. We're gonna get this out of our way, the intake tube, and then we got 3 bolts on the alternator and then the wiring, and then undo the belt, which just have to undo the idler down there or loosen it to loosen the belt. Anyways, let me get into it and just start pulling everything off. We got the new alternator right here. Ooh, does it come with a sticker? No sticker, but yeah. Let's get to it. Loosen this bad boy up. Okay. That wasn't exactly supposed to work like that, but that's cool. Just set that over on the side there. The other thing you're going to want to do is undo your battery terminals, which we're changing the battery on this thing anyways, but let's unhook the battery. Okay, well, the one battery terminal is super rounded off, so I was actually thinking of cutting those off and installing new ones anyways, as it was, so we will probably be doing that. But first, let's get this alternator off. Get everything out of our way. Get the breaker bar down in there for the idler pulley. They're a little tight. There's a tab down here for one of the hoses, like a push tab. There's a 10mm power cable coming off the back end of it. along with these two wires. Well, harness. You want to unhook. These are out of the way. Tuck that over there. All right, got that out. That is the old alternator. Now just repeat the same step and replace it. Sounds like I don't know if it's coming through, but it reminds me of an episode of Scooby Doo. Not to sound lame, but I think it was a skeleton episode. Yeah, it was like the space skeleton or whatever. When he was, it reminds me of that sound, that like whirring home and whatever. Anyways, back to the install. Oh, good. It comes with the pulley. Because when I had to change the alternator on my BMW, oh my goodness, it was a pain in the butt, because when I ordered the alternator for the BMW, I ordered a Bosch OEM replacement. Oh yeah, that's way smoother. Came in missing the pulley, all the bolt holes were wrong, none of them were tapped or threaded properly, and then I swapped it out for another new one, and same thing. I'm like, you know what, screw it. I'm just going to install it and send it. And I did, and it worked. So I really hope that hit the ground. Sounded like it did. Of course, it's like in the middle. Right, so that's connected. Cover that back up. Plug these guys back in. Get some Loctite for these alternator bolts. Call that a day. Then reinstall the belt. Everything's lined up. And that's a brand new alternator. Oh, and then put this guy back on and plug everything back in, which we can do that now, but I need to take a picture because, you know, social media. My Instagram is probably one of the more boring Instagrams. I don't always post these elaborate pictures of my truck and stuff. It's usually broken items, but people enjoy looking at that, right? Maybe. Plug it in, plug it in, plug it in, plug it in. Alright, so that is the alternator install. Not too much to it for this 4-liter engine for this old 90s Ford Ranger. Pretty simple, probably one of the more simpler ones out there, especially compared to these new cars that have all this plastic over everything. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Big thumbs up if you did, and if it was helpful, again, big thumbs up. And if you don't like it, go ahead and hit the dislike button. You ain't gonna hurt my feelings. Yeah, now we gotta change out the battery. So anyways, I will catch you guys later. Bye.